Welcome to E for Ella. Today we got this new toy, and this is this box. See, it's this plastic.
What is it called?
It's called
Cookeez? Cookeez what? Cookeez Makery.
Cookeez Makery.
Cookeez Makery. Okay.
And here we got it.
It's got cookies with a Z.
You can see that, and you can see that, and you can see that.
And you have to decide which pet do you think it will be. Do you think it will be cinnamon pooch, fondant feline, strawberry swirl, Wheatney bunny, barky bun, or shakata bake?
Which one do you think it's going to be?
I think it's honestly gonna be that one.
So which one is that?
Chicada Bake?
Shakata bake. Show me
I
a picture of
want
it.
it to be that one.
You want it to be this one. This one is Wheatney Bunny.
I mean this one. Sorry, this one. Sorry.
Okay. She
Oh,
wants it to be
this one.
strawberry swirl.
Strawberry Swirl looks pretty cool.
It does. And this toy is for 5+. So Ella is 6, so she can do it. So the first step is to mix your ingredients, then you make a shape, then you place it in the oven, then you reveal your surprise pet, and then it comes warm and scented. All right. So let's go. Open it up, Ella.
So you get me scissors.
Yes.
Just a hair scissors.
Oh, it's taped.
Oh, hair scissors will fit.
Well, what?
So yeah,
These scissors are pretty serious for a 6-year-old. So
I'm
I
not
brought
gonna
another
use
pair.
some.
Some serious scissors. Kids, do not use serious scissors like that at home.
So look, you can see the difference. You shouldn't use these, kids. Guys, you shouldn't use these scissors. You should use these scissors. Because these scissors are perfect for kids. These scissors are for grown-ups. So don't use these. But use these instead.
You want to cut it?
Here we go. Sorry, Kirsten. You just take this off, and now it's done. And now we take Kirsten.
Or Dad.
My name is Daddy.
Daddy or Kirsten.
All right, so you gotta pull out the little pins to begin.
Why don't you do this since you know what you're doing? I don't know.
Well, you're fine. You can do it with her.
Okay. So you guys.
You.
You get that, and then you get that, and then you get that.
Oh.
Ah! Directions. Here we go.
And there's the directions.
And here's the empty box, guys.
An empty oven.
And I'm just gonna put it in front of you guys like that.
I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit of water, right, Harrison?
Yeah, just a little bit, Mom.
Okay. You guys need a little bit of water.
Very lengthy instructions on how to do everything.
Are you kidding?
Oh, there's a back too.
Nobody started the dishwasher. Your dishwasher's dirty.
So the first thing. Oh, Ella already took these out. These come out. These come out of the bottom.
Yeah, I took some out of the water.
Oh, look, we're using our Lakeside cup.
What?
You want to tell them about Lakeside? This is our Lakeside cup. We got it for the 100th anniversary. It's gold, pretty special. We like to go swimming there.
Yeah, we like to go swimming there. It's a lot of fun. You guys should go soon.
They have a big rock quarry.
Yeah, they do. And it's really fun there. So we even have a swimming pool, and you can get candy there. So cool there, guys. You should go check it out. So here's our bag, if we need it to make another one. And then here's our little
Renewable.
stuff
Mold. It's called a mold.
our mold. And then here's our little cup thing,
Measuring cup.
measuring cup. And then here's all the food to make it. And then here's the little spatula and spoon.
Very good.
Spatula and spoon.
Very
And
good.
then you stick this into the feet.
So the first thing we have to do is empty these two into a bowl.
I know.
Okay, here's a bowl with a spoon.
We got a spoon.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
I know what I'm doing.
Good.
Let me get out.
Spreading it out.
Yeah.
So you're putting all the ingredients in the bowl.
And I'll show you guys in just a minute what it looks like. But don't worry, Dad, I won't be spilling that. You can trust me. Okay. And then that's what we have. But it's a little bit darker and it's orange. It's not yellow, guys. So what's next? Add water.
Mm-hmm.
We add the water, guys.
Then you mix it together with your hands.
With my hands.
Yep.
Not
Or
the
no,
spoon?
use the spoon.
With the spatula or the spoon?
The spatula.
This one or this one?
The big one.
This one.
You stir it for 2 minutes.
Coming together really easily. You guys, I have. Here is blah blah. It feels like slime kind of. Kind of like jelly. Oh, it feels like peanut butter. That's what it feels like.
So now, once you have it stirred up good enough, you can start mixing it with your hands.
I think I do.
Okay.
Dad, you might really get my sleeves for me. Okay, thank you. Go on here.
Mixing it with your hands.
And then after that, oh, can you get that off?
Keep mixing it. Once you mix it really good, you can roll it into a ball.
I know. I think I got it good enough though.
Start rolling into a ball.
Wait, do you think I got it good enough?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, did I get it good enough?
Let me come in there. Yep, keep going.
Did I get it good enough?
Yep, it's getting good enough. Keep going.
Thank you,
You're
Mommy.
Let's see. Goodness gracious, we have a cough.
You guys could see the Talkies video or the Talkies video before this.
So what we can do...
The Talkies video is really good, guys. And you guys can see the spaghetti one. The spaghetti one, Dad, do you remember?
I like the spaghetti one.
Me too.
The Yeti, my spaghetti.
Yeah.
All right, everybody start putting them in here for the mold.
Okay. But I haven't even made the bowl.
Oh, you have to make a ball first?
Yeah.
Okay, get it out. I'll give you some.
It's like clay. So like slide out. It's just like Play-Doh.
Yep, you gotta roll it.
My hands are
Patty cake, baker's man. Baker's bake me a cake as fast as you can. We're gonna roll it.
gonna pat it and mark it with a bee for a baby Emmy.
Put it in the oven.
Put it in the oven for a baby Emmy.
You gotta put it in the mold.
Yep, so she's got her circle, it looks like.
Yep, I do.
Here, I've got a little bit right here, too. There you go. Boop.
That was warm. Okay,
What does it smell like?
smell.
It smells like really like flour. It smells just like normal flour
It
that you
smells
bake
like
with.
cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. To me, it smells like flour. So we got to
It
make...
smells like cheese flour.
So you stick it in here and you have to make sure you get it all in the paws. The paws of the little... What shape is that? What mold?
Bunny, right?
It's a kitty
Yeah.
or a bunny?
It's a kitty.
It's a
So that
kitty.
means it's gonna be a kitty.
Maybe. So then we're gonna take this.
Watch, guys. You gotta watch this. This one is really cool. Okay. So you like have this little pulsator. And do this. Wait, is it the other way?
No,
Oh, I
that's
did
it.
Perfect.
And you're putting
Like
a little print on it of a paw print.
that. Okay.
So as you see, we got a little paw print on
And
here.
then this is what it looks like.
And then, yeah, then she made paw prints on it. Okay?
And then
Now what do we do, Dad?
It says pull down tab to remove.
Oh, I gotta take a tab out from here.
what's a tab?
Place the toy dough in the oven.
Okay, do we pull it out of the mold? Yep.
Pull it out of the mold.
Wait, no.
You gotta take it out of the mold.
Wait, what?
Yeah. So, okay, here it is. Hold on. Here it is. I'm gonna redo the little paw prints to make sure that they're perfect. And then here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4. It almost looks like it's like an eyeball on the other side.
What is it?
Maybe I'll do 2 little eyes. Okay, you wanna put it in?
Yeah.
You put it in there.
So you're gonna
It-
put it in like that.
It gave us a little too much clay,
Yeah.
a little too much flour. So we have some extra stuff down
But
here.
we could use it for that and put it in there.
Okay, we can put it in our bag.
So we know what color the clay is.
Okay,
Stuff it.
the flour.
Yeah.
Okay, and so now what do we do?
Place it in the oven and close the door. Rotate the dial clockwise until it clicks.
Okay, I'm gonna hold up the camera. So Ella, you wanna turn it on? You gotta do the dial. Clockwise, right? Keep going.
This way?
Yep.
Do
you want me to help you?
Yes.
Wait, it's going. I hear it. It's got its timer on. How long do we have to wait?
1.5 minutes.
Okay, should we pause it?
No.
Let's pause it for just a sec.
Oh, yeah.
Almost ready.
Yeah, it's almost ready. It's ready. Mom. So I got this one.
Wow.
Oh, it's so warm.
It's warm?
What does it smell like?
It smells the same as the other one.
Is that the same one you already have?
No, it's a different one.
What's his name?
Let me go get the box.
So guys, we get this one. Look how cute he is. He's really cute, and look at his back. He's Mr. Tucky and his little tail.
So he's,
So cute.
he's warm and he meows.
His name is Fondant Feline.
Oh, fondant feline.
Oh, he's so cute.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
To E for Ella.